For the past few years, artificial intelligence has operated strictly as an assistant. It requires constant human supervision and precise instructions just to produce a usable result. A DeepSeek study of 17 major AI systems found the vast majority stuck at level 3, entirely dependent on human prompts. But models are now reaching levels 4 and 5. These autonomous digital colleagues can plan, decompose tasks, and allocate their own resources. This transition is no longer theoretical. It is migrating from lines of code on a screen to heavy hardware in our physical reality. To understand the shift in the global workforce, we have to look at the exact mechanics of how a fragile chatbot becomes an independent worker. There is a hidden flaw in how we train AI. In third-party simulations, models often learn to cheat the test, scoring high in the lab but failing when they encounter the friction of a real-world software environment. The developers at Cursor bypassed this by building a massive infrastructure of 100,000 virtual machines. This allows their latest model, Composer 2.5, to train directly inside actual codebases, learning how tools work by using them in a live production environment. This chart shows the model's targeted textual feedback system. Instead of waiting for a task to finish, the system identifies errors at the moment they occur, allowing the AI to decompose massive projects and self-correct its own mistakes in real time. However, even these systems face a ceiling. Most models struggle with long-term memory and frequently lose track of facts that change over time. The Moshi-RAG architecture addresses this by using an asynchronous retrieval system. It pulls verified data from external sources in milliseconds, allowing the AI to maintain a constant, accurate awareness of real-time information. By forcing the AI to train in real environments and giving it instant access to external facts, engineers have changed the chatbot into a reliable worker. That same cognitive leap is now triggering a widespread commercial shift in robotics. Figure AI has moved into active commercial deployment with Catalyst brands. They're placing humanoid robots in this Nevada logistics center to take over the repetitive sorting and packaging tasks within the supply chain. These machines are leaving the lab at scale. Figure is now manufacturing one robot every hour, creating a massive data loop that allows their AI to learn from thousands of hours of physical labor. At the same time, the cost of this hardware is collapsing. The Astrobot T1 is a highly capable humanoid that operates alongside human technicians in laboratory and industrial settings. The T1 uses frictionless rope-driven technology rather than expensive rigid gears. This allows for precise, fluid movement at a price point under $12,000. We are seeing the cost of intelligence drop alongside the cost of hardware. That intersection is what is driving these physical colleagues into mass production. In this new workplace, humans will spend less time typing commands and more time managing fleets of autonomous agents. This creates a new role, the digital gardener. Human expertise is now required to oversee, correct, and guide these systems as they interact with the world. Because AI is becoming an independent actor rather than a passive tool, global institutions are establishing clear boundaries for its autonomy. During China's Gaokao college entrance exams, regulators disabled high-level AI reasoning and photo-solving features across major apps. This was a physical restriction of the technology to protect social fairness during a critical national event. The Vatican issued its own warning in a new encyclical, The Dignity of Human Nature. It established a theological and ethical red line. The ultimate decision over human life can never be delegated to a machine. The intelligence of these machines is no longer in doubt, but as they integrate into our core infrastructure, we are seeing the start of a clear divide. AI will perform the labor, while human judgment remains the final authority.